प्रतिमा कदम। पेशी व पेशी अंगके, सेल and cell organelles, standard 8th. Cell and cell organelles. Dear students, last year we have learned about cells. Now what is a cell? The cellular organization is the primary characteristics of all living organisms. पेशीमय रचना हे सर्व सजीवांचं लक्षण आहे. सर्व सजीव हे पेशींचे बनलेले असतात. All living things are composed of cells. The cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of living organism. रचनात्मक व कार्यात्मक एकक आहे. A cell is defined as the smallest basic unit of life that is responsible for all of life's processes. And tissues are groups of cells that have a similar structure and they act together to perform a specific function. So all same types of cells come together to form tissues. There are different types of cells in the living organism according to different structures and different sizes of the organs. But there are two main types of cells, that is animal cells and plant cells. सजीवांमध्ये वनस्पती पेशी आणि प्राणी पेशी या प्रमुख प्रकारच्या पेशी आढळतात. मॅथियस स्लायडेन व थिओडोर श्वान या जर्मन शास्त्रज्ञांनी सर्व सजीव पेशींचे असतात हे सिद्ध केले. तर पेशी हे सजीवांचे एक रचनात्मक व कार्यात्मक एकक आहे. The structural and functional unit of living organism is nothing but the cell. Now what is the difference between the plant cell and animal cell? Last year we have learned about these components of plant cell and animal cells. Just have a look and compare these two cells. Now first of all, peshi bhittika means cell wall. Now cell wall is present in only plant cell. See here, peshi bhittika. But in animal cell, cell wall is absent. Cell wall is present only in plant cell. Next, plasma membrane or cell membrane, peshi patal. Now this plasma membrane is also known as cell membrane. It is a thin covering and it is delicate and flexible. In animal cell, this is a cell membrane and it is the outermost covering, because in animal cell the cell wall is not there, it is absent. Therefore the cell membrane or plasma membrane is the outermost covering of animal cell. Now next, cytoplasm is there, mitochondria, these are the powerhouses of the cell. This is the nucleus. It is the most important organelles of the cell. See here, nucleus in both the cells, mitochondria in both plant cells and animal cells, they are present. Now vacuoles, rictica. In plant cells, the vacuoles are in large size. Size is bigger and only one vacuole is there. But in animal cells, they are small in size and more in numbers. Okay. And in plant cells, these leucae, काय आहेत ही? Plastids are there. In animal cells, these plastids are absent. So this is the basic difference in plant cell and animal cell. Now to see these cells, we need compound microscope. Now Anton van Leeuwenhoek is the scientist who discovered this compound microscope, and with the help of this microscope we can observe different types of cells and its components. So the compound microscope is used for observing these cells. Onion cells, leaf cells. We can observe these cells with the help of this compound microscope. Now each cell contains various components for carrying out the life processes of the living organisms. And these components are nothing but different organelles. To study these organelles in detail, scientists used electron microscope. See here, cell organelles, we can observe them very carefully and we can study them with the help of this electron microscope, because with the help of electron microscope, the images can be magnified up to 2 billion times by their actual size. तर इलेक्ट्रॉन सूक्ष्मदर्शकाच्या सहाय्याने मूळ जी प्रतिमा आहे त्या प्रतिमेचं वर्धन आपल्याला 2 अब्ज पटापर्यंत करता येणं शक्य होतं, आणि म्हणून या विविध अंगकांचा किंवा या घटकांचा अभ्यास करण्यासाठी इलेक्ट्रॉन सूक्ष्मदर्शकाचा उपयोग केला जातो. See here, we can see these bacteria very clearly. See here in this picture, with the help of this electron microscope, we can see the pictures very clearly, and scientists or in laboratory, the scientists can study its different parts very clearly, accurately. Now these are the components of a cell. We have learned these different organelles or components last year. Now let's study in detail. Now we will learn all these components of a cell in detail. First one is cell wall, पेशी भित्तिका. Cell wall, a protective layer surrounding the cell on the outside of the plasma membrane. This cell wall is present only in plant cells. It is found in algae, fungi and plants. Animal cells, the cell wall is absent. पेशी पटलाच्या बाहेरचे मजबूत व लवचिक आवरण. The cell wall is an elastic and strong coat around the cell membrane. It is mainly composed of carbohydrates like cellulose and पेक्टिन. सेल्युलोज आणि पेक्टिन या कर्बोदकांपासून ही पेशी भित्तिका बनलेली असते. सी हियर, पेक्टिन and cellulose. Now the functions of this cell wall: to support and to protect the cell by preventing entry of excess water in the cell. पेशीत जाणाऱ्या अतिरिक्त पाण्याला अडवून पेशीचे रक्षण करणे. Similarly, to support and protect the inner components of the cell. Next component is cell membrane, पेशी पटल किंवा प्रद्रव्य पटल. Now, cell membrane is a thin, fragile and elastic covering which separates the cell components from outer environment. अत्यंत पातळ लवचिक असं हे मेदाचं द्विस्तरीय आवरण असतं. Now, structure of this plasma membrane you can see over here. दोन थरामध्ये, मेदाच्या दोन थरामध्ये मिसळलेले प्रथिनांचे रेणू असतात. हायड्रोफिलिक रिजन ऑफ प्रोटीन, फॉस्फोलिपिड बायलेयर. तर बघा अशा प्रकारे हे दोन मेदाचे थर असतात आणि त्यामध्ये ही प्रथिनं असतात, अशी याची रचना असते. नाउ सेल मेम्ब्रेन काही ठराविक पदार्थांना ये-जा करू देते. प्लाझ्मा मेम्ब्रेन इट इज अ सिलेक्टिव्हली परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन. आणि त्यामुळे होतं काय की काही पाणी, क्षार, ऑक्सिजन यासारखे उपयुक्त पदार्थ जे आहेत हे उपयुक्त पदार्थ पेशीत प्रवेश करतात, तर कार्बन डायऑक्साइड सारखे पदार्थ, टाकाऊ पदार्थ जे आहेत हे पेशी बाहेर पडतात. सो हियर पाणी, क्षार, ऑक्सिजन हे पेशीमध्ये जात आहे आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साइड सारखे पदार्थ पेशीच्या बाहेर पडतात. and therefore due to property of these cell membrane, that is a permeable membrane, it allows some substances to enter the cell and some substances which are waste products to throw outside the cell. See here, cell membrane it is a permeable, selectively permeable membrane. Plasma membrane is the selectively permeable membrane. Cell membrane. Now in animal cell and plant cell. See here, cell membrane is present in plant cell as well as in animal cell. Functions: provides protection for a cell, and the cell membrane gives the cell its structure and regulates the materials that enter and leave the cell. तर पेशीमधील या पदार्थांचा प्रवास कसा होतो? How do substances travel in the cell? पेशीची ऊर्जा वापरून आणि पेशीची ऊर्जा न वापरता कशा प्रकारे पदार्थांचा प्रवास होतो याबाबत आपण अधिक माहिती पुढच्या भागात घेणार आहोत. थँक यू.